Good morning students. Welcome back to Gopi Krishna online classes. In previous class we discussed some problems related to pressure. Yes or no? Today also I am going to continue with some problems. For that first what you have to learn what is mean by pressure. So what is mean by pressure? So pressure is equals to force acting on unit area. What is the SI unit of pressure? Newton by meter square, or we can give Pascal. Okay. So now first you have to remember these points. Then come for the problem. What they given? Find out the area of body. What we want to find out here? Area. So area is equals to question mark. You have to find out which experiences a pressure of 500 Pascal. So pressure is equals to 500 Pascals. Okay. Then by a force of 100 newtons, so force is equals to 100 newtons. Okay. So first of all we have to write what values given in the problem so that we will understand what we want to calculate. So we have formula for this one: pressure, force, area. Three terms. In these three terms we have to calculate area. We have formula for pressure. Pressure is equals to force by area. If you want to calculate the area, what is the formula for area? Area is equals to what we will get? Force by pressure. Force by pressure. So introduce values. What is the value for force? 100 newtons by pressure 500 Pascal, or we can write as Newton by meter square. Okay. So two zeros cancel. Newton will go. So we will get 1 by 5 meter square, or we can also write as 0.2 meter square. How will get 0.2? With 5 table 1, 0.0, 5 2s are 10, 0. So we will get answer 0.2 meter square. Okay. So from the problem what we are getting? We need to calculate area. Area we have to calculate. Coming to that, what is the pressure? 500 pascals. Force 100 newtons. We want to calculate area. So area is equals to force by pressure. So then introduce values: 100 newtons, 500 newton by meter square. So we'll get 1 by 5 meter square. Then the value of 1 by 5 is 0.2 meter square. Coming to the next problem. Here first of all we have to know what given in problem. What will be the force required? Means what we have to calculate? Force we have to calculate. So force is equals to question mark. We want to calculate that. Next, to exert a pressure of 20,000 Pascal. So here what given? Pressure given. Pressure is equals to 20,000 Pascals on an area of 1 centimeter square. So area is equals to 1 centimeter square. In before problems we converted centimeter square into meter squares. Yes or no? Same like that here also we need to convert centimeter square into meter square. For this what you have to do? 1 by 100 into 100 meter square, or we can write as 1 by 10,000 meter square. That is equals to 0.001 meter square. Yes or no? So the given value of pressure directly they given in pascals, 20,000 pascals given. Next coming to the area, 1 centimeter square given here. So this 1 centimeter square we need to convert into meter square. How we can convert? For 1 meter, how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Here square given na, so we need to do that 1 by 100 into 100 meter square. So we can write as 1 by 10,000 meter square. When we do simplification, we will get as 0.001 meter square. Okay. So now let's we have formula for pressure. Yes or no? Pressure is equals to force by area. But here what we have to calculate? Force we have to calculate. So then force is equals to pressure into area. Okay, Nana? So force is equals to pressure into area. So pressure value how much? 20,000 pascals into area is 0.0001 meter square. So we'll get the answer 2 newtons. Okay, so instead of pascal we can write Newton by meter square also. Yes or no? So this meter square will get cancelled. So we'll get 2 newtons. So therefore force is equals to 2 newtons. Okay, so here from this problem you have to write down given values. Here from the problem we need to calculate force. Force we have to calculate. Pressure given 20 pascals. Area 1 centimeter square. This 1 centimeter square we need to convert into meter square. Then take the formula, pressure is equals to force by area, but we want to calculate the force. So then force is equals to pressure into area, multiplication. Okay, so pressure into area. So pressure value and area value, when we do the multiplication, we will get the value of force as 2 newtons. Okay. Okay, let us go with the another problem. In this, a pressure of 60 pascal on a smooth surface of area 2 meter square. Calculate the force applied on the surface. So here pressure given. Pressure how much given? Is equals to 60 pascals. Then coming to that area. Area is equals to 2 meters square given. What you have to calculate? Force is equals to question mark. We know the formula of pressure. Pressure is equals to force by area. Units Newton by meter square, or we can give Pascal. Okay, Nana? So then first given value, check the given values. Pressure given, area given, force you have to calculate. From this formula we can calculate now force. So what is the formula here? Force is equals to pressure into area. Pressure into area. So then coming to that, pressure value how much? 60 pascals into what is the area? 2 meters square. Yes or no? Example, if in the problem if they given in centimeters, what you have to do? You have to convert into meters. Yes or no? So the conversions you have to remember very clearly. You have to understand. First we need to observe your value and unit, both are important. Okay, when you want to do the calculations for any problem in physics, you have to note down what number they given, and for that number what is the value for that physical quantity. Okay, so physical quantity, number, unit, very important. You note down this all clearly. Based upon that, which formula is applicable for this problem or for this calculation. Okay, so from that we need to write down the formula. After that, what we have to calculate? Force is equals to pressure into area. So pressure value 60 pascals and area is 2 meter square. So then we will get 120 newtons. 120 newtons. Yes or no? So we will get that force is, therefore force is equals to 120 newtons. Are you getting this problem? Understand for you? So here pressure they given 60 pascals, area given 2 meter square. So pressure and area value you have to write and then introduce into the formula. After introducing into the formula, you will do the calculation. Here 60 is there, here 2. 62 is 120. Force units are Newton. So we will write force is equals to 120 newtons. Okay, Nana? Okay, next coming to the next problem. So first here you have to observe what value is given. The pressure between the tire of a car and road is 1,50,000 newtons by meter square. What is the area of contact here? What we have to calculate? Area you have to calculate. For that, they given the tire and the car has a weight of 15,000 newtons. Understand? So here pressure is equals to 1,50,000 Newton by meter square. Area you have to calculate. Coming to that, they given the weight, that also weight of the car distributed over 4 wheels. Yes or no? Over the 4 wheels. So what you have to do? 15,000 by 4. That is equals to 3,750 newtons. The 4 table. 4 3s are 12. 12 means 37 will be. 4 7s are 28. Then 4 5s are 20. Okay. Then 0 will come. So we will get with the 4 table 3,750 newtons. What is the value? The weight of the car. Why here we did with 4? Car weight is distributed over the 4 wheels. Okay. So we calculated 15,000 divided by 4 will get 3,750 newtons. Okay. Coming to that, area you have to calculate, but we have the formula what? Pressure is equals to force by area. Therefore area is equals to force by, so area is equals to force by pressure. That is equals to, what is the value of force? 3,750 newtons by pressure value is 1,50,000 pascals. That is equals to value 0.25 meter square. 0.25 meter square. What here, instead of pascal we can write as Newton by meter square. Yes or no? So Newton will get cancelled. What value will get? Meter square. What we are calculated here? Area we calculated here. Okay. So like this you have to do the you have to solve the problem. So to solve the problem, first of all you have to note down what values given there. So relations Okay, so formula you have to learn. Pressure is equals to force by area, and then coming to what pressure given, what is the area, means how here weight given, weight of the car is distributed for over 4 wheels, so we have to multiply with 4, 15,000 by 4, so I'll get 3,750 newtons. Then coming to that pressure is equals to force by area, after then area is equals to force by pressure, then 3,750 newtons by 1,50,000 Newton by meter square. So by cancellation of these two we will get the value of 0.25 meter square. So these are the some problems. Okay, some problems here. Try to do some more problems by your own. Okay, I'll send some problems through assessment. Okay, there same, you have to do the same process, formula is same. Try to convert this and complete these problems. Okay, thank you. I'll continue in the next class.